Welcome to Group RFx. This video tutorial explains the RFx Tender page, which acts as a command center for all buyer initiatives. Once logged in, you can reach this page by going to the Buyers tab, Strategic Sourcing, and RFx Tender. Using the grid presented on this page, you will be able to quickly access any competition while obtaining an overall summary of all RFx documents. This grid is comprised of 7 different columns of information. The document ID is a number created and recorded by the software application and can be used as a reference for support inquiries. The reference number is used by your organization to reference a specific competition. This value is defined by the user. Clicking on any entry within this column will take you directly to that corresponding RFx document. The Initiative Type column designates the type of RFx document. Clicking on the Contact column will display the contact information for the RFx coordinator responsible for creating that competition. This feature is beneficial when multiple users within an organization are responsible for executing new initiatives. The Description column provides a brief overview of each initiative. Clicking on the text in this column will display the purpose and scope of the corresponding competition. The Status column provides a quick, at-a-glance summary of the progress of each initiative. There are 6 different status types, and you may filter this grid to display only those initiatives within a certain phase of their competition. This can be done using the checkboxes located at the top of the page. New documents are still in their creation stage and have not yet been published to suppliers. Documents that are awaiting a vendor response have been posted but have not yet received a bid response from suppliers. Responses received indicate competitions that have received bid responses from at least one vendor but whose due date and times have not yet passed. No response indicate competitions whose due date and times have passed but did not receive any submitted bid responses. A status of awarding indicate competitions with submitted bid responses whose due date and time have passed. Once a competition has reached an awarding status, buyers may begin to score and evaluate bid responses by clicking on the reference number column. Any competition that has been canceled by the purchasing organization will be designated with the status of canceled. Lastly, the due date column reflects the response due date and time for each competition. The red X's on the far right of the grid allow you to delete RFx documents. Note that you can only delete documents with a new status. Competitions that have been posted cannot be deleted. Instead, the purchasing organization must cancel the competition using the cancel feature located within the tender document. Should you wish to sort this grid by any column, simply click on the column name. You may also search for specific tenders using the search tool located at the top of the screen. You may search based on the specific description or reference number of an RFx document. That concludes this video tutorial. For more videos and tutorials, please visit the Help section on Group RFx.